Hello, dear students, how are you? I wish you all are absolutely fine. Today we shall continue with chapter number 10 I Shall Met by Moonlight. This I Shall Met by Moonlight is the extract from William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream. So let's start the reading from page number 127. Here is the conversation between Oberon and Puck is going on. Clear? Now that same night I saw Cupid take aim at a beautiful young queen of the West. Cupid is the Roman god, or we can say the god of love, right? So, same night Oberon said to Puck, I saw Cupid, the Roman god, take aim at a beautiful young queen of the West. He aimed his arrow at her, what missed? The Maiden Queen continued on her way because she has no idea about it that the god of love was following her. Clear. So while the arrow hit a flower, the flower white as milk turned purple, and by chance that arrow hit the flower, and first that flower was white as milk turned purple as though it was brushed by love. I have shown it to you before, so Oberon said to Puck, Puck, I have already shown you that flower. So bring me that flower. So what he want to do with that flower? Its juice put on the what is the effect of that flower. And clear, and what Oberon wants to do with that flower. Its juice put on the eyelid of a person who's asleep has the power to make that person fall in love with the first living creature he or she sees. ठीक है, तो what is the effect of the flower? कि when we put the juice of the flower on the eyelid of a person who is asleep, and the power of that person fall in love with the first living creature he or she sees. Okay. Now Puck said to Oberon, okay, my lord, I can go around the world within 40 a minute and bring that flower for you. And then same time Puck exit from the stage. Now next, Oberon planned to rub the flower juice on Titania's eye. Clear? Because he wanted to take revenge from Titania, and this would make her fall in love with the first person she saw when she woke up. Clear? So why ki Oberon intended to use the juice of that love-struck flower and sprinkled it on Titania's eyelids. Since the juice had a special power, we know it very well, कि whereby if it was sprinkled on the eyelid of a person who was asleep, he or she would fall in love with the first living creature whom he or she sees at when they wakes up. Okay, so this is how we can say कि Oberon wanted to punish Titania. So while Puck is gone, Oberon overhears Helena begging Demetrius to accept her. So one side of the forest there were Helena and Demetrius. They both are present there, and Helena begging Demetrius ki please accept her, please marry her. But Demetrius refused again and again. Oberon then Oberon overhears that Helena begging Demetrius, right? So, after hearing the conversation between Helena and Demetrius, now here Oberon then decide to rub some of the juice from the flower on Demetrius' eye as well, so though he may fall in love with Helena. Clear? Now Oberon decided to help Helena since he had overheard the conversation between Helena and Demetrius, where Helena continued wanted Demetrius to accept her love. Clear? So she had always loved him, but he refused to accept her proposal. Okay, so that's why the fairy king decide to put some of the juice from the flower on Demetrius' eyes as well, as so he may fall in love with Helena. Okay, at the same time Lysander and Hermia reach another part of the forest and being tied. Okay, now the same time Lysander and Hermia, they both have decided to meet in the forest and run away from there. They both reach at the same point at there and decided to do rest. Now Puck soon arrived with the flower and is ordered by Oberon to rub its juice on the Athenian man, meaning Demetrius, the citizen of Athens. Clear? And Oberon ordered to Puck, "Ki please take some juice from the flower and please rub it in the eyes of the Demetrius eyes." Okay. Now sleeping in the forest, who was already sleeping in the forest, now by mistake what happened? Ki by mistake Puck rubs it on Lysander eyes because he have no idea about it, who is Demetrius, who is Lysander. So that's why Lysanders were also doing rest in the forest. Demetrius was also there present. So he put the juice by mistake in Lysander's eyes. When Lysander wakes up, what happened? The first person he see is Helena and he madly fall in love with her. Forgetting all about Hermia, Puck is in effect to set things right. Okay, now he wanted to set each and everything right, so makes Demetrius fall for Helena as well. Now what happened? Ki both Lysander and Demetrius love Helena and are ready to fight with each other. Now Puck manages to mislead the man. Clear? Puck Puck managed to mislead the man in the forest, and soon the men are lost and far from each other. While Lysander is asleep, Oberon rubs some antidote on his eyes. Okay, now while Lysander is asleep, Oberon puts some antidote of the juice on his eyes so that the effect of the spell is removed. Okay, if we want to remove the spell of the uh, that uh, that juice, then again put few drops of the juice in the same that person who is same the eyes of the affected person, then the spell is removed. Now around the same time, a group of tradesmen means some businessmen traveling through the forest. Okay, कि a group of tradesmen, they are going to their country and traveling through the forest. So they all are tired and decide to take rest. We are already Titania is sleeping. Okay, they are already Titania is sleeping in the forest. Now on waking up, Titania sees one of them and falls in love with him. What happened? Now, when Titania gets up, she saw the face of one tradesman and madly fall in love with him. Okay? He is treated as a king by the fairies. Now, the tradesman is behaving himself as the king of the fairy kingdom. Now, Theseus and Hermia's father. Okay? Who is the Theseus? Duke of Athens, and Hermia's father, they come to the forest. Why they both come to the forest? Because they got this news that Lysander and Hermia run away from the forest. So that's why they are looking for Hermia and Lysander, and they are found sleeping around the trees. Now here Theseus then order Lysander to be married to Hermia. ठीक है, वो उसको ऑर्डर करता है कि ओके यू मैरी विथ हर्मिया अगेंस्ट हर फादर्स विश. Demetrius and Helena are also married to each other. Finally, when the Duke of Athens ordered to Lysander कि you married with Hermia, and he also ordered to Demetrius you married with Helena, right? No, only when only when Titania agrees to give up the little boy to Oberon does he release her from the spell. Clear? Now here only who is left now under spell? Only Titania, because she is behave. She is now loving with one tradesman and treating, and that tradesman is treating with her like a fairy king. And now Oberon set the same condition ki if I will release Titania from this spell, ki if she ready to give up the little boy to Oberon. Now finally Titania is ready to give up the little boy to Oberon, and then Oberon release her from the spell, and then finally peace returned to fairy kingdom. Now everything is all right in the fairy kingdom. Titania and Oberon, they both are happy with the little boy, and second side Lysander married with Hermia and Demetrius married with Helena. So finally everything is all right in the fairy kingdom. Thank you. Have a good day.